Hey guys, RC Bros Productions here. In this video I'm going to be reviewing my Seagull model sport cruiser. The wingspan on this plane is 70 inches, the length is 50 inches, and the approximate flying weight is between 9 and 11 pounds. I'm pretty sure mine is probably on the heavier end of that scale. Let's go in depth here. The motor is an E-flite Power 90. It's a very beefy motor for this plane. It's a little bit overpowered if I'm being honest. The transmitter I'm using is my Spectrum DX6. The receiver that I'm using is a Spectrum AR610. I'm running two Venom 4-cell 3200 milliamp hour LiPos, running in series to a Spectrum Avian 80 amp ESC. This plane has flaps, ailerons, rudder, and elevator. One thing about this plane that pleasantly surprised me was how well the flaps work. They're not that big, and I didn't really expect them to work that well, but after flying it, they actually work really well. They do a great job at slowing it down for landing. Great working flaps. The wing servos, all four of them are high-tech HS425BB servos, metal geared. I believe they're metal geared. The elevator servo is a Futaba S3004. And the prop is I think it's a 13 by 7? Pretty sure it's a 13 by 7. Oh no, it's a 15 by 7. That's what it is. One thing I do like about this plane, another thing I like about it is how the wings come off. There are no tools involved. There are just four little nylon thumb screws in each corner here, two for each wing, and you just take those, unscrew those, take the wings off, and there's a metal spar in there. It's a great way of having the wings attached to the aircraft. It's very easy. Another thing that I don't like about this plane is the wheel pants. This plane is very limited in where I can fly it and land it. I can't really fly it and land it in any sort of grass. It has to be very, very thin grass with a very smooth surface, because you could risk busting or breaking the front nose gear off if you land it in thick grass, because it does land decently fast. It's a pretty heavy plane. So that's a negative about it, is it definitely lands and performs best on asphalt or very hard packed surface. That's good for the wheel pants. And also the front wheel pant in particular rubs on concrete or asphalt because the tires are foam and the wheel pants are pretty low to the ground. So if you have a hard landing, they might scrape. And they might scrape on other things too. Say if you do decide to land in grass, might just scrape on a little bit. This plane is very overpowered the way I'm running it. 8-cell LiPo total. With an E-flite Power 90 motor, this plane does over 120 miles an hour. It is wicked fast, but it performs really great. I love the way it flies. Flies really great upside down, very great flying inverted. I like the pilots that were included with it and the detail on the dashboard. You can see right there. And it's a very large fuselage. You have a lot of room in there to mess around with. You can put all sorts of stuff in there. I know a lot of you guys are probably aware of what this plane has just because of all the videos of me building it, the build process that I had uploaded. So now on to the flying video.